Hello everybody. Today I've got something massive to show you all. It's something I just got from Walmart today with some of my Christmas money. Yep, I have it, the Thomas & Friends Super Cruiser. This thing is ginormous. You can store over 40 engines, and here's the back and stuff. There's all the components you have. And see that right there? That on the box, that's the only presence of wooden railway on this like boxer set. Or on the box right there, that's the only presence of wooden railway. Everything else is wood. Adventures, Push Along, Trackmaster, Minis. But yeah. I'm gonna open this thing off camera or off screen, and then we'll see how it works. Alright, so I've already unboxed this. It was a pain in the rear to do it. But here's Stefano. He was introduced in the episode All Tracks Lead to Rome, I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure. I have to check the wiki later on. But he does open up some parts. Oh, sorry there, Stefano. Let me just remove that. You get this little piece right here. I think it comes off. Yes, it does come off. And inside, you get a nice little track right there. Same thing with the other side. Hang on. This thing is removable. It's really orange inside of there. But here's Stefano, like, individually. Got that face. And you get these little rollers. And you can also attach and detach stuff on this thing right here. Let me get the materials. So the 4 materials you can put on Stefano are this little drill thing. This, I believe it's a grabber. Almost looks like a fat pair of pliers. This little winch. And a shovel. And you get 3 engines here. We have a Trackmaster Push Along Thomas. Hang on, I need the camera to focus. Translucent, C Thomas. We have 2 minis. This is the first minis I've gotten since January 2018. Here's Oceania. And Seaside Percy. I believe this is a reference to the Percy Seaside Trip from Season 5, the music video. It's a really great song. And you get 4 pieces of I believe this is a 8-inch straight track. So you get 4 pieces of 8-inch straight track. And my first ever set of adapters. These connect to the wood track. At first I thought they were for wooden railway track. But I realized they're not making adapters for wooden railway anymore, because that's dead. And here's this little one. Almost looks like a switch. And then you get some elevators, or rising track with printed bricks. There. And here's some like elevated track you could use for like a mini Gordon's Hill. But that's all I'm going to show you for today. And this was a really fun toy to unbox. And I'll see you all later.